Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Harida. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. So guys, this video is a continuation video of the deep cleaning my fridge and freezer with me. So the other video was getting too long, so I had to split it into two. So if you've not seen the first video, in the first video I cleaned the deep freezer, but here I'm cleaning the fridge and freezer. Those fridge that have smaller parts up is freezer than is fridge. So if you've not seen the one I did, the deep one, so this is like a continuation of from that one. So here, this is me cleaning this. So I waited for like I think 20 minutes before after using the hypo to spray on the parts that are really changing color. So I wait for like 20 minutes before I started washing. So what I'm doing now is just washing it with just hypo and water. So that's just what I'm doing here. So yeah, just okay. So I'm just washing all those places that I've used hypo on earlier with sponge, just making sure that, and it's very easy. Just once the hypo is there, it just made everything easy to wash. The sponge was just going smoothly without any hassle. Before the hypo, I tried to, if you see the way I was scrubbing just to get those things off, but none of these things were going out until I used hypo. You can refer to the first video to see what I did. So coming back to wash with sponge was very, very easy. Just put the sponge and all these things were just going out on their own, like it has dissolved. I just need to do little things here just to make it shine. So guys, this is me washing the fridge part now. I was washing the upper part is the freezer. Now this is the fridge part. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did. Wash and wash and wash. Truly, like, yeah. So guys, one thing here, after doing this part of this fridge, I don't know how to, it wasn't chilling like the way I want it to chill. I've been complaining for a while. I'm like, what is going on? Is it from the setting or this thing? There's this I don't know if you see that button at the back here where you can control it. If you want it to be cold, you can set it. If you want it to be colder, you put it there. So I just took it to colder from beginning, like from day one. I took it to colder and it was not getting cold. Like, you just put something in there. I hardly put things there. Just put it there, it just be like as if the fridge can be on for the whole day and it will still be like that. So after deep cleansing, I think that one too helped, and I turned the switch back to cold, the normal cold. Guys, the way this fridge gets cold, like you put something now, it's very, very cold. I'm like, what? I think if you have a fridge and you don't know, using this fridge, I just clean like normally. On a normal day I will just clean it like this, like not like this, but just clean all those. I won't go deep. But if your freezer is not cooling as it should, just remove everything and deep clean it. And yeah, my help to start chilling again. So this my fridge now, the way it's chilling now, yeah, very, very powerful. Like, I didn't do anything, just the cleaning, and I turned that thing back to normal cold. Look at the button I was talking about, this button here. So it tell you if you want it to be on the cold or normal cold. Yeah guys, so this is it. Let's open it and see the final look. Wow, what? It's like as if I just brought it out from the carton. Very, very clean, and the white is whitening. The fridge is shining. Let's open the down part and see. Wow, this is what we have here. So guys, what I'm going to do next is I've not put in the compartment, the things I removed from here earlier. I've not put them in. So what I'm going to do now is to go and I'll just close this while I go and wash the things I removed from this fridge. I've not washed them at this point, so this is me washing them. I just put in this water here and just morning fresh soap, so just to wash this the compartments. This one comes with glass, like the fridge I have before. I think it's plastic, but this one is glass. Like if you have glass like this, you have to be very, very careful. I was just pampering this thing, and know it's slippery. I was very, very careful here, so it won't slip and fall. And once this one fall like this, that's it. So I was just, this is what I did, just washed everything and rinsed. Yeah, so that is it. I think that's all. So after washing this, rinsing, then I used what's it called, a towel to dry it up. Then I set it aside while I did the same thing for the other compartments, both the ones that's for the main fridge, like, and the handle, the door one. No, the door one has its compartment as well. So this is what I did. I washed everything thoroughly, and I dried with a rag. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So this is the final look. Like, this is giving new fridge. This fridge, I think, is over 1 year now. Yeah, it's giving like I just brought it out from the carton. Very, very neat, shining. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. If you've watched up to this point, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section, how do you clean yours? What do you use? I only use here Hypo and Hypo morning fresh soap and water. That's all. Let me know how you do yours in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
3, 2